Today I'm going to talk to you about Popplet, which is self-proclaimed as being the simplest way to visualize ideas, capture, organize, and collaborate. Popplet is similar to Padlet, where you are able to organize related information, whether it's plotting historical events in order on a timeline or documenting key points while reading a text. Popplet is designed for both teachers and students as either a study tool to keep information organized or as a lesson planner when organizing what order you want to teach different concepts in. Even younger students are able to use this to help them memorize colors, shapes, numbers, you name it. Additionally, it also allows students and teachers to either work together in real time when they are apart at a distance, doing distance learning, as a lot of us are right now, or do it at their own pace at separate times. This really does make it a great tool that can be used both inside and outside of the classroom. Popplet can be used independently for independent projects, or it can be used collaboratively in a group setting. And just some ideas that you can use it for are making a flow chart for a novel, creating a timeline of events, comparing and contrasting two different ideas, and showing the necessary steps to get from point A to point B. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a Popplet that I have already created here. So I have made one for the novel, The Great Gatsby, so I'm going to make a flow chart to help me organize my information. So you can zoom in and out to see stuff closer or far away. And as you can see, you can add not only just text, but you can also add visuals, which is super helpful for me as a visual learner. So if you want to add a new bubble to your Popplet, you can either click outside in the negative space, just double click and you'll have a new box appear. Or if you want to add on to one of the sections that you already have, so say I want to add another character, I can click on that existing box. And if I press on one of these white dots, I can form a new box. So it went on top here, but I am able to drag it wherever I want it to go. And these arrows on the sides help me make it bigger or smaller. And in terms of formatting, I do have quite a few options. I can change the color if I want, have a lot to choose from, but I'm going to keep it black so it matches my other characters here. I can type and change the size of the text and the alignment. I can draw a picture if I want. So if I want to draw a smiley face, that is definitely something I can do. And if I don't want to keep it, I can delete it really easily. Or I can even upload a picture or a video. So I'm just going to add some simple text here. So I'm going to add Jordan Baker. And students can do this as they are reading, as they are introduced to new characters. They can add it on to their flowchart and add new pictures. And then if I want to compare two different things, but I don't want them to be connected, as you can see, if you click off into the negative space, you can add a completely unrelated concept. So say the project is for students to compare two different books. I can add a completely different book over here. So let's say it's the Grapes of Wrath. And then I can go ahead and start a whole new flowchart for this book over here, but it is still in one Popplet, one document, so I can easily go back and forth and compare similarities in characters, symbolism, setting, you name it. This is just a couple different ways that you can use Popplet. Really, the possibilities are endless.